Today, let's show you a portable power station product from Adao, and smart energy professional solution provider from China. SP2500 is a portable power station with 2500 watt output power and 2496 watt-hour battery capacity. It adopts the ferrous lithium phosphate battery with high safety level, bidirectional inverter technology, efficient and adjustable charging power, long cycle life, and has passed the harsh safety certification of Japan, Europe and North America. Additionally, carrying handle design makes it more portable. The product package contains AC charging line, portable power station, and product instruction manual. Please read the manual in detail before using the product. Above the product are indicator lights, display screens, and switches. The LED display screen can check the current battery capacity, remaining discharge time, input and output power, connection status of each port, and failure indicator. In the instruction manual, you can view the description of the corresponding fault indication and the solution. On the left are USB output port area, DC output ports area, and ketone switches. The USB output area includes USB output switch, 4 USB-A ports, and 2 Type-C fast charging ports. The DC output port area includes DC output switch, Anderson output port, 2 DC output ports, and car charging output ports. Note: Type-C port and Anderson port are output ports. Please do not insert adapters or charging cables. The right side is the AC output port area, with 1 AC output switch and 4 AC output ports. Note: 1. It is advisable to avoid using high-powered devices such as air conditioners and refrigerators as much as possible when using AC output. The high current at the moment of startup of these devices may cause the energy storage to enter a protective state. 2. When AC charging and AC discharge are carried out simultaneously, the device enters EPS mode, and the load power output by AC cannot exceed 1100 watt. The side of the product is equipped with air vents and input ports. When the protective cover is opened, there is 1 DC input port, AC input port, AC input reset button, and fast charging switch inside.